Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another Julie netting layout. So excited to say I'm on number 44 out of 48, and I will be done. So regardless of when this video comes up, I will be finished before the end of the year. I just wanted to show you some of the newer ones that I hadn't done any pages with and what I did with them. So I decided to use my napkins up. And this napkin, and of course I didn't grab one. Just have one side. This napkin, they look like this. It has the burgundy on the side. It's like 4 different ones. It's Berlin. This is London. Let me just go get it. Okay, I didn't go get the napkin, but I did go get this because I'm like, oh, I forgot to get this. But this is the same, like I just showed you, like the Berlin. It just has the burgundy on it. And when I show you the layout, you'll see it's exactly the same. So I use this in the background just to take up some space. And I use, the crown. I stenciled just with a black pen, like a pit pen, fine liner, to just add a little bit of the empty spaces. And I use Gabriella. This is on her vacation. She's been visiting London. So one of my girlfriends and I, she and her husband have not been to London, but we used to always talk about, like, we're gonna, like, some of my girlfriends, but she was the main one, she and I, because we love British TV. That's probably how we became friends. And we just clicked on that one. So anyway, we always joked about we was gonna go to London one day. So this is my layout. This is how the napkin comes. I just added another panel. That's why I cut the other piece out from the side. So it comes like this with the burgundy piece on the side of it, and I cut the burgundy pieces out and put them right there together to merge it as one. Just use some green at the bottom, and again, like I fussy cut her, colored her out with my Spectrum Noir, and then layered paper piece her with the, some just solid cardstock, and layered that purse and her hair. And then I fussy cut these letters out from the bottom of the napkin. And then I end up stenciling that in and that in. I thought I needed just to put something in the background. But that is my ode, this Big Ben. This is my little ode to London. So you have to have the crown for the queen. And there's double-decker buses. They're famous for that. So this one came in handy. And this was a stencil that I got from Play It Online from Tuesday morning several years ago. But it's called London Set. So, and you can actually separate the pieces out, but I kept them together. So I just used my marker to go through there, and that is her. So, and then I took one of my Spectrum Noir red pens and went around the edges just to give it some depth to close it off. And so napkins are an easy way to give you some backgrounds and some focal points when you're trying to do a layout. So again, I would take my napkins and I iron them out, open them up, iron them up. I take off the 2 layers on the back because most layered napkins are 3 layers, and then I use my matte medium to, I got more than one kind, but either one of these, golden or Liquitex, to adhere it down, and that's it. So that one is number 44. So 4 more to show you, and I will be done, and then I do a flip to reveal. Hopefully this is inspiring you to use your jewelry nettings and have fun with them. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.